Hey guys, wanted to share with you a look at the new KUMIO Ice Making machine right here. This thing's probably about the size of an air fryer, I would say. Looks like it'll fit right into the corner of pretty much any kitchen. So just plugged it in now. Didn't pour any water into it yet. There's our little control panel right there. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look and let you gather your first impressions on this. Here's the inside right there. Of course, we got this little shovel to scoop the ice out. Tray right here, so that goes in there. So I think I'll get this fired up momentarily just to see how well it works. I'm gonna give this as a gift, but I just wanted to open it up and check it out and give you guys a first impression on this. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna see how well this works. We'll put it to use, write some words on it, and we'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for checking it out.